Hey Frameworks friends! In the world of CNC, the possibilities are limitless. Last week, Mario made another wooden CNC art piece. This video here is 4 hours sped up to just a few seconds. Watch what he created. Adding to our list of limitless possibilities, we can put this in our wall art collection. We are using this as wall art, but this wooden masterpiece has all the capabilities you could imagine. At Frameworks, our goal is to make your wildest dreams come to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.